Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2014 Honda CTX700 DCT with ABS. This is the full automatic version. Also has the fairing on it. Has 3,700 miles and is offered for $53.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the stock bike, comes with a nice GV top case. It's about $300 to $400 if you wanted to add that on. Also has a nice cell phone mount on there. Again, this is the automatic one, so you can either shift with your paddle shifters or you can just put it in fully automatic. Again, it has ABS brakes, which is a nice safety feature. We've gone through the bike, did a complete safety check on it, oil change, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Again, $53.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.